Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be replacing my third brake light on the PT Cruiser. Let me show you. All right guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pry bar in between the brake pedal and the seat. Just put the seat back, bring it forward. Now let's go check it out. So we do see the passenger side working, we do see the driver's side working. The third brake light got one bulb on and two out. Now let's remove that pry bar and get to work. Lift the trunk. So in order to gain access to the bulbs, we got to remove this plastic trim. So you're just going to grab the trim and you're going to pull just like that. You have two 8mm bolts here, but you can remove this one and just loosen this one and dangle it that way and just pop the cover off and replace the bulbs. But you don't have to remove these 8mm bolts. You can just pop the tabs right here and then replace the bulbs there, but I'm just doing it so you guys can see. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this bolt. Loosen this one, have it dangling like that. Now you're gonna pull these red plastic tabs. You're gonna pop this red piece off just like that. Now you're gonna set that to the side. All right guys, there you go. Now we have the bulbs exposed. Now we can start removing them. There's one. I'm just gonna replace all three, might as well, not in here. And that's how the bulbs look like, guys. These are 921s. Now let's go find some bulbs. All right guys, so now we're gonna go find some bulbs. Check out this red truck. We're gonna do a full exhaust from front to back. Yeah, that shit looks nice. Let's go check out the motor real quick. And that's how the motor looks like. That shit is beautiful, huh? Anyways, we got sidetracked. So here's our bulbs. Oh, look at that. 921. He was waiting for us. All right, let's go install them. It's a 921, brand new pack. Can you believe that? Let's open these bad boys up. Let's take 3 of them out. There you go. Number 921. So now we just grab the new bulbs and install the new bulbs. There's 1, 2, and 3. So before we put everything back on, let's go see if it works. Let's go grab our pry bar and let's go wedge it between the brake pedal and the seat. Is it working, guys? Let's go see. Hell yeah. Now we have all our lights working. Let's go finish it up now. Now we're gonna reinstall everything in reverse order. So now we can install our plastic trim. So we got tabs right here that enter at those points right here. So just grab the trim, make sure they're in place, and just hit it in. Now let's close the trunk and test it again. Let's go check it out. Yeah. Now we have all the lights. All right guys, and that's it. Pretty simple and straightforward, huh? All right guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.